Look at this match list question from CAF 2025. You have 4 subclauses of Article 371 on one side, 4 states on the other, and a ticking clock. Instead of panic and rote memorization, you can solve this in seconds with the right framework. This animated blueprint shows a simple way to visualize the Indian Constitution as a house. The sources are the raw materials imported from other countries to build the structure. The parts are the physical rooms, and the schedules are the specific inventory lists kept inside those rooms. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and the drafting committee designed it this way on purpose. Recognizing this architecture turns a chaotic list of rules into a logical, predictable system. So let's look at the materials first. The British governed India for centuries, leaving behind a heavily centralized model of administration. Because of that history, India adopted their parliamentary system. To lock this in your memory, use the keyword phrase, Prime Speaker rules Parliament. Contrast that with the United States. They fought a war explicitly for individual liberty. So India borrowed their concepts of fundamental rights and a strong independent judiciary. Lock this one in with the phrase, P. Fire Judge VP. We can map the rest quickly. Ireland gives us the directive principles of state policy. Think Irish directives. Canada, with its massive geography, provides the blueprint for a strong federal center. Tying a constitutional feature directly to its host country's historical identity prevents you from mixing up overlapping origins during a high-pressure exam. Now, let's walk through the rooms of the House. This timeline maps a chronological story to memorize the parts of the Constitution. Territorial citizens fight DPSP duties. Watch how they sequence. Part 1 is territorial. Part 2 is citizens. Part 3 is fight. Part 4 is DPSP. Part 4A is duties. Let's test this. What does Part 4A cover? Here is CDS question 7. Because duties is 5th, it maps exactly to Part 4A. Relying on a sequential narrative string is exponentially more reliable under exam pressure than trying to isolate and recall a standalone Roman numeral. Now let's check the inventory kept in these rooms, the schedules. This 12-step staircase diagram maps out the 12 schedules using the mnemonic State's Salary Oath. Pay close attention. Step 7 covers lists. Step 8 holds languages. Step 10 deals with anti-defection. For factual exams, match the step to the keyword. For analytical exams like UPSC mains, explain why the Canadian model of a strong center maintains unity. Factual exams test where the constitutional inventory is located. Analytical exams test why those specific tools were chosen to solve national problems. Let's apply this to CDS question 4 regarding the 7th schedule. Using the elimination method, knowing just one correct mnemonic pair allows you to instantly strike through 3 incorrect options, leaving only the right answer. Here is your ultimate revision cheat sheet. We have the world map for sources, the story timeline for parts, and the 12-step staircase for schedules all in one place. Take a screenshot now and scan the QR code to download 50 practice MCQs. New Careers Academy has refined these methods since 1967. Over 39,000 selections rely on visual learning. Converting raw knowledge into marks requires mastering the system's logic, not memorizing articles. Practice the framework and see results on exam day.